In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Microsoft Forms to Excel. If you've been collecting responses through Microsoft Forms and you're ready to analyze that data, exporting to Excel is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to work with your results. I'll walk you through each action slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're new to Forms or Excel. First, you'll want to open the form you're working with in Microsoft Forms. Start by signing into your Microsoft account and navigating to the Microsoft Forms homepage. You'll see a list of your existing forms, including any you've created recently or used to collect surveys, quizzes, or feedback. Click on the specific form whose responses you want to export. This will open the form editor where you can see your questions and settings. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the page for the section where you can see results. Depending on your version or layout, you'll usually see a tab or option that relates to responses. Click on the tab that shows your collected responses. This is where Microsoft Forms summarizes your data, such as how many people responded and how they answered each question. Here, you'll notice an option that allows you to work with these responses in Excel. Look for the button or link labeled Open in Excel. This is the key step that triggers the export. Go ahead and select Open in Excel. When you click this, Microsoft Forms automatically generates an Excel file that contains all the responses tied to that particular form. Behind the scenes, Forms creates a spreadsheet where each row represents a single response and each column corresponds to a question or a piece of response information such as the time submitted. This format makes it much easier to sort, filter, and analyze the data directly in Excel. After you select Open in Excel, your browser may either download the file automatically or prompt you to choose what to do with it. If you see a prompt, choose the option to save the file. Pick a location on your computer or cloud storage where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop, documents folder, or a dedicated project folder. Give the file a clear name if you want to rename it so you'll recognize it at a glance. Once the file is saved, you can open it in Excel. When it opens, take a moment to scroll through the spreadsheet and confirm that all your questions and responses appear as expected. You'll see each response in its own row, and you can now use Excel's tools to sort by column, apply filters, create charts, or run formulas to analyze trends in your data. That's all there is to it. You opened your form in Microsoft Forms, viewed the responses, chose the Open in Excel option, and saved the exported file. From here, Excel gives you a lot of flexibility to explore and report on your results in whatever way works best for you.